In today's video, we are going to show you how to send money internationally without fees using Wise. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once logged in, I want you to click the Send Money or Send option. Now enter how much you want to send and choose the currency you are sending from. Choose the currency that the recipient will receive, for example, this one, and Wise will immediately show you the real exchange rate or the mid-market rate, the small transparent fee, because this is where Wise stands out. No hidden markups like traditional banks. After that is type in the reference for recipient, which is optional, and click the Continue button. Now please take note that Wise doesn't typically waive all international fees forever, but it often offers $0 fee on your first transfer up to a limit, for example, 2,000 to Euro and PHP. It offers the lowest transparent fees after that, often starting with 0.1% of the amount sent. So the no fees really means the first transfer is free if you qualify, and of course it offers a low fixed fees afterward instead of the hidden bank markups. Okay? And all I have to do now is click the send button. And basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.